Important public service announcement. Pay attention to this more than anything else, because here's what's going to happen. I want to make sure you don't wreck your account. Now, we've all done it. I've done it too many times, and so has anybody who's ever traded. Here's why. We're really good at trading. We're really good at making money. At copyandwin.com, we just win every week. And when you win a lot, and we do, you tend to get overconfident and you tend to overtrade. I want you to take a few minutes, go to copyandwin.com, and pay super attention to diversification. Always break your account up, always trade the same size. And you'll find that when you have a loser, it's averaged out by all the winners. The way to wreck your account? Well, get really good, win 4, 5, 10 in a row, then decide you're God, trade all your money all at once. I promise, that's the one that will lose. Copyandwin.com, follow the program. We'll win, we win consistently, we win safely. And the reason we do that, we don't YOLO. Here's what YOLO means. We don't do it, we win. Love you.